Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can check your Snapchat recap on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Snapchat recap on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for BlueStacks on here. You're going to go into this first link from bluestacks.com, you're going to click download BlueStacks, wait for it to download then, and once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install BlueStacks on your computer. After you're done installing it, you're going to open BlueStacks up. And once it's done opening, you're going to come here, you're going to search for Snapchat. Here it is, click on Snapchat, click download on here. I have already downloaded Snapchat, so it's going to say launch for me, but you're going to download Snapchat, and once it's done downloading and installing, you're going to click launch on here. And when you click on launch, you'll have this window where you will have to log in with your Snapchat account. So just click on login and log in with your Snapchat account. And once you log in, then you'll be able to check your Snapchat recap on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.